Hello everyone, so today we are going to look at correlations and scatter diagrams. Correlations, this is where I want to rank the values or the variables and determine the relationship within them, whether there is high relationship or high correlation or low correlation, or it is medium. Are we together? So we are going to use the Spearman's rank correlation and we shall try out other methods, but for today let's learn the Spearman's rank correlation and how they actually rank them. This is it, that the correlation coefficient equals to 1 minus 6 times summation of d squared over n times n squared minus 1. You're going to know what each of these means. Let's look at this example here. They've said the following shows the marks obtained by 9 students in biology and the chemistry exam. So these are the marks obtained by the students, and they say calculate the correlation coefficient and comment on your results. Are we together? So with this, we want to determine the relationship between biology and chemistry, whether the marks have a relationship or not. So we first rank the ones of biology up here. You can rank them in ascending or descending order, but I'll rank from ascending order. That means I'll start from the smallest. When you look here among this, what is actually the smallest? Let's see here. We actually see 60 is the smallest, so it will be number 1. What follows after 60? We see 75, 75 will be number 2. And I see 78, 78 will be number 3. I see 80, 80 will be number 4. And I see 85, 85 will be number 5. Are we together? Then this 86 and 86, they are actually the same. Are we together? So this is 86 and this is 86. That means this would be 5 and this would be 6. So what we do, we come and get 5 plus 6 and we divide it by 2. Are we together? So 5 plus 6 is actually 11. 11, when we get 11 and divide it by 2, we shall actually get 5.5. Are we together? So that means here we shall write 5.5 and this will be 5.5. Are we together? Then after what follows, it's 90. But after this, remember we stopped on 6, so we continue. This would be 7 and this will be 8. Are we together? Then we also rank those of chemistry in ascending order. You can use descending, but we decided ascending. So what's the smallest here? We still see 70 is the smallest, so it will be 1 together, followed by this. This will be 2. Then what follows, which is the smallest? After this, we have 80, which is 3. We're together. Then we have 85. So 85 would take the position of, this would be 4, 5, 6. Right together. So you get 4 plus 5 plus 6. This time they are 3. Divide by 3. So when you get 4 plus 6 is 10, plus this will be 15 over 3, giving you a 5. That means here we shall write 5, 5, and 5. Are we together? So remember we stopped on 6. So the next one here will actually be, what follows next will be 7, 89, 8, and this will be 9. Are we together? So that's how it goes. Somewhere you did here 1, 2, 1, 3. That is it. Are we together? So after ranking them, what follows next? After ranking them, then you come and put them here. The rank of biology we have, this is 1, this is 4, this is 2, next is 5, next is 5.5, 5.5, 7, 8, and 3. We're together. And for chemistry down, we have this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 5, 5, 5, 8, 9, 7. Are we together? Then you get our D. To get our D, we subtract this minus this. This minus this gives us a 0. 4 minus 2 gives us a 2. 2 minus 3 gives us negative 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5.5 minus 5 is 0.5. 5.5 minus 5 is 0.5. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. 8 minus 9 is -1, and 3 minus 7 is -4. That means after that we get the d squared. D squared is when we square these answers right together. 0 squared remains 0, 2 squared is 4, this 1 squared is 1, 0 is 0.25, this is also 0.25, this is 1 squared, -1 squared is 1, 1, -4 squared is 16. And then we add up this, summation of this squared will be, so when you add up this, that is, you add 0, so this is 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 1 plus 1 plus 16 gives us an answer of 23.5. Are we together? So after getting that answer of 23.5, remember our correlation that we are looking for is 1 minus 6 times summation of d squared over n into n squared minus 1. Remember our n are the number of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are we together? So it is 9. Our n is 9. So it's 1 minus 6 times our summation of d squared is 23.5 over 9 into 9 squared minus 1. Are we together? So when we put this in our calculator, this is 1 minus 6 times 23.5 is 14.1, and the whole of this 9 into 9 squared minus 1, the answer is 720. So 14.1 divided by the answer, and when we get 1 minus the answer, the last answer will be 0.98. Are we together? So to be able to comment, if the range is from 0 to 0.1, this is a very low correlation. From 0.1 to 0.2, this is actually low correlation. Are we together? Then from 0.2 to 0.3, this is medium. Then from 0.3 to 0.4, this is high. 0.4 to 0.5, it is very high. And then 0.5, this is from 0.4 to 0.5 to up to 1, sorry, it will be very high. So this means that our comment here would be, this is a very high correlation between biology and chemistry. That means that the relationship between the two marks is actually very high. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like.